Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to do something different. Today what we're looking at is one of these Toyota oil pans, like the one I replaced. It's got these high dimples in here and then the drain hole is kind of sitting up. So what I wanted to do was to see, when I removed the old one, there seemed to be a lot of oil in it. So let's see how much oil is really left during a regular oil change in that pan after, you know, it all drains out. So what I have here is I have my vacuum pump. That's a quart jar. It's empty. So we are going to evacuate it using the suction, and then we will just, once it stops dripping here, because it's still got a pretty good stream, but once it stops flowing, we're going to put the vacuum on it and we're going to see how much oil we really do pull out of that, and then we'll see how much oil is really left in the pan. So when you do an oil change, how much dirty oil is still left. So we'll start. I'll bring you back when we get to the point of suctioning. Alright, we're at dripping now, about the time where people will just put the plug back in and go for it. So basically I have this and we're going to put it in here, turn on the pump, and let's see what we aspirate on. Alright guys, that's all it took, that little bit. Okay, we'll just let it go in. Alright, let's take a look. You can tell that it's not dripping anymore, but the more important thing is that's about half a quart of oil. I mean, that's about half a quart, if not a little bit more than that. So that's how much dirty oil is really left when you get an oil change on these things with this type of pan, where you're not getting all the oil out and you're mixing it in with the new oil. And that's what I was thinking, that I was going to have some around half a quart. That is a lot of oil to leave behind, I think. But this is why, frequent oil change is probably the best thing for you. So, hey, thanks for watching another video. Hopefully that's informative. Thank you for subscribing and have a great day, guys. Take care.